Hello friends, how are we all? Trust all over the world. Welcome and thank you for joining me on this session today. Do not forget to press the like button and also subscribe my channel and do press the bell button. So for the session of today, come.
How to make black gram a kitchen surplus dinner leftover, and Raddish Kebab, Tikki or Cutlet, anti-diabetes, anti-cancer, antimicrobial, antioxidants, protein and fiber loaded. And once again it started with this black gram curry, kitchen surplus dinner leftover, too little yet too much. And back into my kitchen gardens for a radish and its leaves, garden fresh of course. Beautiful, nice one, isn't it? And fresh cilantro and parsley and some green chilies. Fresh of course. And now back to the kitchen. Let's start. Add the black gram, ginger and green chilies. Remember, ginger and green chilies as per as taste. And when done, blend into a grainy coarse paste and set aside till to be used. Now, first to grate the radish. There, wonderful, isn't it? And now to squeeze out the watery extract of the radish. This watery extract can be used later. Now add the black gram paste made earlier. Chop and add these beautiful radish leaves. And chop and add cilantro and parsley leaves also. Besan or chickpea flour or gram flour. Arrowroot, almond, oat or coconut flour. Red chili powder. Sea or any natural salt as per as taste. Freshly roasted and grounded cumin, again as per as taste. Turmeric powder and coriander powder. Carom seeds, mango powder, or you can use chaat masala also, which I don't prefer. Garam or chicken or mutton kebab masala. Mix well and knead into a dough. There, that is what the dough should look like. Now, as some guests dropped in suddenly, 6 pieces are made for them, disrupting the entire process and the video and our calculations also. So after they left, this is the dough that I had balanced, and out of this we made 5 more pieces. Therefore, the total yield was around 12 pieces. Now done, aag lagao, drizzle and smear peanut oil and place the raw kebab, tikkis or cutlets to be cooked. Be careful not to burn your fingertips. Now when done, allow the kebab, tikkis or cutlets to cook undisturbed for a little time. Now when done, flip the side to cook the top uncooked side. Be careful, and by now the fragrance has started to fill the air. Something's cooking. Now allow this side to be cooked undisturbed too. Drizzle and coat this side well with oil. When done, allow them to be cooked undisturbed again. Beautiful fragrance fills the air. And look at that color. Now flip the side to cook well and evenly on this side and become firm also. There, beautiful, isn't it? And allow them to cook undisturbed. Beautiful looking, not at all oily, not at all messy. Now flip the side to cook well and evenly on this side too. There, flip, look at that. Now they're done. Switch off the heat or the flames and remove and plate them one by one. That's what it looks like. Beautiful, isn't it? Plate it. Serve with mint or tomato or any chutney or sauce or dip of your choice and enjoy with your enemies too.
So friends, do try it and do treat all your near and dear, and above all, your enemies too. Thanks for watching. Bye. Have a nice time. And as I always say, to live healthy, cook healthy, and eat healthy.